Kuya, nabayaran ko na yung tuition ko galing Roblox. Well, ito, basahin natin. My younger brother have been addicted to Roblox. Since he was a kid, even back then, kahit sobrang lag or low-end laptop namin, tinitiis niya just to play. Now he's in college. Naglalaro pa rin siya. When I started working, nag-start na ako, i-spoil siya. Binigyan ko siya ng gaming laptop, an external monitor, iPhone, at kung anong kaya kong ibigay na gusto niya. Those were all things I wish I had at his age. I also told him not to bother finding a job. Dahil alam ko na pagdaanan ko how hard it was to be working student. Kapag sinabi ko sa kanya natin na wala akong pakialam kung magdamag ka maglaro, basta wag mong pababayaan ang pag-aaral mo. Sagot ko lahat, pati tuition at baon niya. Yesterday, he messaged me. Akala ko manghihingi na siya ng pang-tuition niya. So I was about to open my bank app and he suddenly said, Kuya, huwag mo nang bayaran ng tuition ko. At when I was confused and asked, Ha? Bakit? Sino magbabayad? Ito ang sagot niya. He replied, Ako na. May na-earn ako sa nilalaro ko sa Roblox. Yung Grow a Garden. Ang dami kong kinita sa buy and sell ng mga pets. Sobrang na-proud ako. He didn't even have to do that. He couldn't spend it sa luho or panggala niya with his friends. But the first thing he did was pay for his tuition.